With a national presence backed by an ever-expanding network of technicians, Commercial Fire is the leader in fire and life safety for multi-site facilities. Founded in 1988, they have served the fire and life safety industry for over 3 decades. Unlike other national service providers, Commercial Fire specializes only in fire safety service and compliance. While their areas of service continue to expand, their current focus is on fire extinguishers, fire sprinkler and backflow devices, fire alarm systems, kitchen fire suppression systems, emergency and exit lights, fire hoses and standpipes, special hazard fire, and kitchen exhaust cleaning. Fire safety is critical for the preservation of life and property. For multi-site facility managers and owners, Commercial Fire is able to consolidate all fire safety service and offer dedicated account management. This provides customers with unparalleled customer support and the confidence that their properties are always in compliance. On the ground, this translates to streamlined, consistent service across regional territories or even coast to coast. This makes them an agile partner, able to adapt and solve problems in real time. Commercial Fire is backed by industry relationships that span decades. This gives them direct access to source products both directly from manufacturers and through the BHC family of companies, which is comprised of strategically placed warehouses throughout North America. So, in addition to having quick support, their technicians also have direct access to the products and parts needed to get the job done. In the field, Commercial Fire partners with local affiliates to build their national coverage network. This provides local expertise into the fire and life safety codes and regulations. At a larger level, Commercial Fire holds licenses and certification nationwide, mitigating any risk of any knowledge gaps on state or federal codes and regulations. The combination provides customers with the highest level of service, compliance, and pricing, with a positive reputation that has earned over decades of industry experience. Commercial Fire is a leader in the fire and life safety space. With 24/7 support and cutting-edge technology, Commercial Fire provides ease of mind when it comes to multi-site fire safety maintenance.